same page under the same condition of temperature and pressure. That's why I'm saying that I don't have a problem what he has.
Ebusian for aha Ghana TV GH. Message or like a comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for menem say NPP ya chanti reunification, peace building, consensus building, all those things. Menem Bankrofobi wa enkan krechire ye nkrofobi wa ye hiom yeah nkrofobi wa me kwasiam for dodo sorry for my choice of word nkrofobi wa me kwasiam for kwasiam penny nipa baku ti say sa Solomon Owusu oye papa bia oye mitimi chirempo oye bitter na bitterness no pono me share that the sense behind the bitterness. Me who the sense behind the bitterness. Who now say ope Alan. Alan be your man penny. Party for say omo pay Alan. And Alan say okay. Say mo pay me kwa tell me party. Party for Anka say we don't have the right. You want to form your party movement for change. Nkofwa omedi wechi. Lawyer Abu Asamoamu Sadiq Abubakar mu. Ewo a eye Solomon Owusu yi. Ma ko form party no. Ma ye mu campaign. Ye koto aba. Munya nipa 33,000. Omu GD say mu message movement for change message ene the best. Cheddar na onye politician mpo. Puli vote esenemo. No problem. Enyesa. Now, why can't you let the name of Bawumia rest, Solomon Owusu? Why? Bawumia weji uyire. Maybe so. You see, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia no. Solomon Owusu weji uyire ana. To the sense, it's like you are even losing your sense of reasoning out of bitterness for Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. But who Solomon also say, "Eye den a untimi nyeti say Bawumia da." No dear. You see, men come in different shapes and sizes. Ebimu oho no matter what you do, first I know ombeji. Me say me na time me cause kota me wadan for bisa. C'est ça en France. Guy we automate yari first term, second term, no be throw exams third term, I be first, na me second. Me one dey say we dey Boamia. And I me switching term ko school fufuro. Ba no super competition enti me first school no pe the subsequent academic year o sabe tu me wo. You know, so some first position in view. Ultimate, Nyamia Shirano no. A time for Untimino she, I be. Who Solomon of Wusut meet natives who says a Wuni Bawumia, Muko election, a Ubi Winnie. Abameya. I been make us say Habame keme. Be with Solomon Wusu at on top the Bawumia unkumachine bedi. E clean yo ide competition ya win ole nweda. Some of you there, maybe people should stop displaying that kind of mental issues in front of me because me feel no. And sometimes muka sasa na ko me say me famu phone na be some friend ka me say we are here no draw na we here. Because that is clearly a grandiose delusion. Trimuyare, mental illness. Delusion of grandeur. Seeing yourself to be whom you are not. Now, who boss Alan no point to me? Now, who your follower? Please. We have tolerated enough, say, Obiata me sorry can you pay free Dr Bawumia. She said, I ain't fan chemo bio. Debbie. Fan chemo. And so you better watch your mouth, Solomon Owusu. You better. Because you come at us hard. We'll come at you harder. And it's a promise. They say we are in a studio. Like we are still getting things together. Yeah, you starting a podcast now. When I'm betting some. Yeah. When I'm betting some, now you starting interviews in a manner. Oh, ho, and I'm betting some. Blow. I'm
saying that I don't have a problem with what he has done, but to be on the same level, on the same page, under the same condition of temperature and pressure, I want to get his data
so are you not being,
and call the very people that he called.
Are you not doing this because he predicted the fortune of your party?
He has been doing that. I have no difficulty. If somebody will vote for my candidate, it does not depend on this.
It doesn't?
Everybody and his personal circumstance.
So look at the national picture.
Which one is
all
the
the
national
individuals
picture?
from the NDC, they are pairing with Dr. Bawumia. You see,
I have said that Dr. Bawumia, if I contest, I'll win against him.
As the president.
But what is there for you to... It will be very, very mind-boggling and mind-breaking for anybody to think that he is coming to do anything else. We have seen him.
that one you believe, but this you...
It is not you believe. You are going to vote. The people rejected him emphatically.
But you believe that one. Are you not picking and choosing?
But that one, which one? I am not basing... I am not basing my decision of rejecting Dr. Bawumia on his research. I had predicted long ago. Why somewhere 2023 that the greatest mistake the NPP would do is to present NPP would be to present Dr. Bawumia. That was in the NPP.
Our company's private jet, and our company now needs a state property. It's not a garbage. No. It's a Obia currency for private property. Oh, yeah, no, Juma, what you say? Garbage state property now, Obia, and we are garbage. To say. Since America for so my grant based on PDS and Akufo-Addo president Akufo-Addo say process no kwa machum and a grant no almost say almost farm my ebium $190 million what say sky say Akufo-Addo ama ya shiri scan into a scandal na me who am definition of scandal now obi ama or che scan or this scan me fan che obi
what's this scan say
$190 million.
One say
$190 million.
Correct. And one no. What they say $190 million PDS scandal. Almost scandal. 12 million a Japan payoff. That's a basa. Anyway, it's real say
moment of truth.
Okay.
So moment of truth. Famous moment of truth. Normally say scandals. SEC war. President Akufo-Addo happens. Akufo-Addo grants 24 million tax waivers to his in-law to build private hotel at Plash Airport.
Did they forget? He said President Mahama also granted tax waiver to his junior brother EMP.
And they this. That one not Akufo-Addo there. I say in-law.
Brother-in-law. Many EMP people a jatacement.
No. That was the Mahama by on Ganti tax waiver. Why
Yanko.
They listed that as a scandal.
Maybe Yanko will straight away.
Oh, maybe. Okay. I would do favorite.
That's our time, man.
Oh, as I was saying.
9:40.
Hey. Jet and I say
that was
so
the open wafer.
Everybody na kokon. Because anka scandal I was reading jet no I won't do the jet. Alistos Mahama, executive secretary to President Mahama.
Yes.
Open letter when Ibrahim ne
plain in sense me buy.
Yen one trophy. Do try ya ne say by November this year. Na President Mahama akotop a presidential jet. Adia o kan ya no. Yeah, because adia ye nyansa wo mu ano no.
Na o kan nyoma na o tro ani bia. Na o say ye ko hwe ni tiwu ani President Kufuado ne ye power
manka.
Ampa
Maganzo.
We should go with Obia and Menti. Minya quite me.
Same way.
Obia Callistos Mahama. Callistos Mahama. Letter. Our open letter on presidential jet. O Google Beba.
No kind per one paragraph. Do that share.
Or say what the public often see is the aircraft taking off or landing. What is less visible is the difficult balance that must constantly be struck between particularly security, cost, and national dignity when a president is traveling. Presidential travels is unlike any other form of travel. It is not merely a journey from one city to another. It carries with it a layers of responsibility, security protocols, diplomatic engagement, communication system, and the simple but critical requirement that heads of state remain able to function as executive authority of the republic even while traveling of kilometers away from Accra.
Okay. Function as executive.
So on the play more sebi you on the own security on your protocol on your
so be function
as
executive that be go for the last
uncle fa or say in fact ukofa ukan letter no question also ukofa a trotro and say normal plane a year is as dangerous that anybody should not wish that for a president. Can you president Kufuado there no for plane no there
why less or no you less human I go for the less human
yes it be go for the uncle for plane na e dey back coffee from and uncle for plane
convenience
na president Mahama there onu ko na be person obey adwuma on board enti
baby was say I was so timi function
was
as executive president
ya Google na nko kan na wiase ohun yes ma ebre now the soul sourcing argument
yeah moka enye bre nyankopon na betua bi no moka
ame
Audu Mahama yeah soul sourcing ya o ma akofa be unim nobody has said soul sourcing is illegal. And that's the NDC demonized soul sourcing. Say, so you're soul sourcing now you're crum for me the document be ama Audu Mahama.
Me fama.
Oh, what you
watch your media
to the extent I say me the bro. Godon best friend. Sami Gemfi. I say government award contract to relative friends through soul sourcing. Now I say avenue on the risk. Na me madam for okujeto a black wasam de menka.
Unka say.
Just say areho.
That guy.
In fact, President Mahama cried or say soul sourcing oba obetwam. Na enye ade papa I was say part of our procurement process. They called it a big scandal. Into share moment of truth list of scandals are almost a year na Audu aka PDS ne waiver assembly. So or say $12.5 million sole sourced contract for blood distribution drones. One of the major scandals I see under NPP. Just say Omakoto blood distribution drones are the moja ebeko.
Yes.
Nkurase ni ade no. Omu ko ton so yomizu so source no omu ko to enti a big scandal. No no moment of truth. Omu san list another scandal
moment of truth no one leading.
Oh, I guess I mean what happened in your press conferences. We no be 360.
360 na maybe we.
Or say government restores quota system in nursing training institution through backdoor. Any a major scandal till wife of Samuel Oku grabs juicy free zone feeding contracts. The Samuel Oku nere akoje feeding contract.
School feeding.
School that be our who's a free zones.
Ah yeah.
No kitchen. No mama a man for say omo no aduane e wo ho enti Samia Okuyire akọ apply akọnya opportunity say obeton aduane e wo free zones no scandal ene go and check government agencies na caterers wo na no any major scandal. Oh, so they demonized soul sourcing. Let's say most of it ICC yes bonny.
In fact, President Mahama campaign time.
Yes,
video. Yeah, no cast of Obama deal.
Obetwem.
That be fair. What's Obama war chairman for anyone when you know Omoma aku police ni soldier educate or obejini no video no ha is rather unfortunate say bibi enya men so technical maybe I make one answer na sorry and today I will say it on air yanko. Yeah, I will have to say it.
Now I will host a woman say wabra Abuja case nearby Abuja call parliament ko kind statement. In fact, I don't want to even go into the pricing. So forget
the pricing
because who say wama who the list of sources the amana I quite will say 24 kilometers it costed 300 million Ghana cedis 300 million 9 kilometers 146 million Ghana cedis 24 half 150 mpoa. Now 9 kilometers it costed almost the same amount. So the price in there, that the argument no, I fairly cry. But any man change, who just me the man change, make kind, who they cost.
Now I know the work can say, or they are not in charge. The beside can, son of us watch them. Why?
Okay, Sami Denfi, need defense of so source and now. Obey and also agency, Nino Manomane, I no. Baby, see, all conclusion. No, say, as a matter of fact, 23 out of the 84 big push roads projects, such as Swami Interchange, Ofanko, Home, Adenta, Doto, etc., are inherited projects that were all awarded by the previous NPP government through sole sourcing with no dedicated funding. The government has simply innovated the project, maintained the contractors, and provided for the funding for them. The 23 projects were not re-awarded, yet the Fourth Estate has mischievously added all these projects to their list of sole source contracts awarded by the government. Into our trust or the diffuse say 84 na omu can say omu buy no my sole source na enya no kre. Now omu their NPP contracts any adwuma or the amana da abekan. But okofa Abojani statement or the call parliament na. The so-called 23 projects no what listed say omu projects. Mr. Speaker, in fact, to be fair, Odika boy be a year 23 project. Obeka ya say we are to forcing